Okay. So for the following outline, so throughout our discussion, so we will discuss about related literature, importance of literature review, purpose of literature review, and then the acceptable sources of literature review, plagiarism, and citation formats. Okay, so after the completion of this module, so you should be able to evaluate the literature from a variety of sources. Okay, you need to know how you will identify different sources of literature review and understand what is plagiarism and how to avoid it. And then you need to know how to apply proper citation and referencing, and then the use of referencing tools such as web. And then after the discussion of this module and the module about research design and methodology, you need to have your critical review on the assigned topic.
Form ng
Okay?
consultation.
So for chapter 2, basically, these are the components of what we can see on chapter 2. Okay, so the review of related literature. So meaning, part of it, you need to have your conceptual literature. Okay, and the conceptual literature, you need to put all of the theories, principles, applications, guidelines, standards, which are all related, okay, concepts, okay, about your study. Okay, so doon natin siya nilalagay sa conceptual literature. Here you can add tables and figures, okay, and also you need to make sure that when you write your conceptual literature, you properly cited, okay, all of the information that you use as references, which helps support your study. Understood? And then we have research literature. So here you need to put all of the study, okay, related to your proposals. Okay, so you need to look for local studies and foreign studies. Okay, so at least, okay, all of you, okay, on your group, each of the members must read, okay, exactly 25, okay, related literature, okay, or study which you can uh, review, okay, and then after that you need to check if there are things which helps you check, okay, any gaps from your proposal. Okay, so you need to find local studies and foreign studies related to your proposals. And then we have synthesis. Okay. So since on the related literatures you provided, you need to put, okay, all of the information about that study. For example, on the local study, nakita mo yung Basaya 2026. Therefore, here on that part, you need to put all of the informations, okay, about that study. How is it related to your study? Understood? And yung synthesis, kailangan ma-summarize natin and ma-discuss how that study is different and similar from our present study. Understood? So that is how you're going to write your chapter 2. Okay? So, take note. So, meaning on the synthesis, so i-align ko din. Kung ang una kong inilagay on the part of the related literature ay study ni Basaya, which is under the local study, dapat on the part of synthesis, makita ko din siya, but in a way na yung discussion niya is about discussing the similarities and differences of the study ni Basaya to your present study. Nakuha niyo, class? Hello? Naintindihan? So be sure na you follow, okay, and you listen on the way on how we can write the following content. Kasi that is very important. And then yung isa pa is of course yung reading ninyo. Okay? So kailangan you also know uh, the way, di ba? Nagbabasa din. Okay? So, para at least you have the sample, okay, of the way on how you can write it. But you need to take down informations, okay? So, para at least alam ninyo and aware kayo for those content of chapter 2. Okay?
Thank you.
And
Hindi sir yung attendance sheet.
also,
Yung log sheet ng
okay, so also,
Ay, si forma yun. Baka naman di ay si forma.
okay, so we have related literature. Okay, so what is that literature review? So meaning, since you already know, okay, as discussed, as taught to you by the librarian, we will use those online, okay, platforms which we can use, okay, and look for scholarly articles, books, and other sources relevant to your study. Okay, so meaning kailangan we can provide, okay, information, okay, using published journal articles, books, and other references. So how can we get those information? So of course, using the online tools, okay, taught to you last time. Kaya kailangan you need to make sure that you can access and open those references. Okay? Like for example, yung IEEE, when you access that at home, you need your institutional sign-in. So dapat you already talk to the librarian on how you can access that IEEE on your at home, 'di ba? So of course, you need to be resourceful in a way that we have a lot of online platforms which we can use so that we will be able to access the following articles, books, and other resources relevant to your study. Okay, so when you conduct those literature review, it will provide you an overview of the different sources, okay, that you can explore while you are doing your research. Okay, so very important that you need to make sure that you do the reading. So very important kasi na you read, okay, those scholarly articles. Okay, so one of the importance of a good literature review is that we can summarize the key sources, okay? We can organize informations which are relevant to our study, diba? And then of course, we can see the recap of how important that informations which let us know, okay, the things na need natin magamit on our study. Okay? So in terms of the purpose of literature review, syempre, we are doing that in place of our work, in place of our study, para makita natin ano yung contribution niya dun sa ating proposals. So that we will be able to understand how, okay, we can identify things na makikita natin na pwede nating magamit on our study. Okay, so here you need also, because of that literature review, we can also describe the different relationship, of our work under consideration. And most importantly, you can identify new ways, you can identify a way on how you can interpret, okay, those information that you gathered from those scholarly articles, and then you can see the gap. Makikita ninyo from the previous research, I have my proposal, and then you can see kung nada-downgrade yung inyong study. Diba? Kasi syempre, hindi pwedeng nada-downgrade yan. Kaya nga sabi natin, we conduct research so that there will be innovation. Upon reading those study, kita niyo ba na dun sa inyong proposals, there is something new, okay? You already find the gap from the previous researchers, and how can you say that there is an innovation from your proposals? Understood? Nakuha niyo, class? So that is the purpose of literature review. Kaya kailangan you read a lot of study, okay, which are related to your proposals. Okay, what else? So it can also resolve conflicts. Meaning, okay, binasa ko yung isang study. Nakita ko, almost of the materials that I will use is common and similar on the previous one. So therefore, you can early check na hindi na nakita ninyo na okay, similar na to dun sa previous one. Eh ano pa yung pwede namin gawin for improvement? So from there, you can resolve conflicts, okay, from those contradictory previous study para at least maagapan nyo agad na makita kung ano yung common or same from the present proposals. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, and also you can identify, okay, different areas for improvement, and we can prevent duplication of effort. Okay, kaya every time that you will have your proposed topic, I see to it that that you revise and improve your proposals. And of course, I see to it that every time I check your proposals, okay, aware kayo na the following studies are already, we have a lot of the following studies and these are common para at least you have an idea kung ano pa yung pwede natin gawin as for your topic proposals. Kaya yan, iniisa-isa natin i-check para aware kayo na alam nyo na yung mga topics na previously we have a lot, okay, of studies related to that. Diba? Para at least, okay, when you have your design project 1, alam niyo na, okay, hindi ko na siya ipropose kasi there is something, okay, which are already been studied, okay, about this proposal. Okay, so also you can point out the needs for additional research na upon reading and reviewing those scholarly articles, you can see a way on the needs for additional research. Okay, so you need also to locate your own research on the context of the existing literature on why we need to propose this study. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so anyway, do you have questions or clarifications, class, before I proceed on the next one? Okay, so one is about the types of literature review. Okay, so as you can see here on your screen, diba, we have a lot of types of literature review. But commonly, okay, we use conceptual. Okay? Kasi titingnan ninyo, okay, the things which really helps on your study. So the theories, principles, concepts, its applications, standards, and other guidelines which will support your study. Okay. So since you know the sources, okay, or the online references which we can view, okay, so that we will be able to get scholarly articles, so take note that you need to get the following resources. So if you will use, okay, those online resources, check peer-reviewed journal articles. Okay, so yung gagamitin ninyo are peer-reviewed journal articles, okay, published journals or academic books and other professional journals. Okay, i-check nyo din na yung gagamitin nyo is from yung published na ay 2021 to 2026. Okay, so you need to take note on that na yung ating gagamitin ay year 2021 to 2026. Okay, and then if you will use for example website, you need to check. Halimbawa, may gagamit kayo ng government website. You need to check updated informations or statistical data which you can use on your study. Nakita natin updated na siya. And nandun na these are based from the reliable sources which gives us na based on facts. Okay? Babasahin nyo, baka makuha ninyo yung galing sa mga blogs na website. So, a-avoid ninyo din ang paggamit ng Wikipedia. Okay? So, I will not let anyone use the Wikipedia. So, much better na avoid ninyo yung mga websites. Okay? Unless otherwise, those websites are from the government websites or from professional associations. So, you carefully check yung mga websites na gagamitin ninyo if yung information na binibigay nila sa atin is something that are reliable and based on facts. Nakuha nyo, class? Hello? Okay, so understood? So, we can get the following dun sa mga tools na taught to you last time by the librarian. So, kaya very important that you will utilize those online resources. Okay? Kasi kung hindi mo siya gagamitin, how can you get these peer-reviewed journal articles or published journal? So, gagamitin nyo yun. Parang madami kayong makuhang published books, journals, na madami kayong gagamitin for you to read, okay, the literature review. Any questions or clarifications? Do you have questions or clarifications? So you can interrupt me anytime para at least kung meron kayong need i-clear, okay, with respect to our discussion this morning, so ma-raise nyo agad yung inyong concern. Okay. May I ask, okay, since all of you, of course, improve and revise your topic proposals, so may I know, among those online resources taught to you last time, ano yung commonly na na-open nyo na and gives you a lot of articles related to your proposals? Let me know. Andre Vincent. Nandyan ba si Andre Vincent?
Yes po, I'm here po.
So among those online tools which can help us access scholarly articles, ano na yung nagamit ninyo?
Ma'am, the triple E po.
So IEEE.
IEEE po.
Okay, so you need to make sure that you can access that at home kasi madami din kayong makukuha doon. Pero you cannot download kapag wala kayong institutional sign-in. Understood? Hello? Naintindihan?
Yes po,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, thank you. So, good. How about you, Alexa? What are the online tools na na-access mo? Kasi very important, ito kasi yung mga acceptable sources natin. Pero, okay, if you don't know the online tools which will help us access the following acceptable sources, di ba? So, mahihirapan kayo. So, kaya kailangan you identify, you open those online resources. Okay, so may I know? Nandyan ba si Alexa?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, so ano na yung iyong na-open?
For our topics po, mas na-utilize po namin yung mga e-journals. We were able to use po Wiley and Philippine e-journal.
Okay, good. Diba? Kasi, since we have that orientation, okay, very important siya para at least kung wala akong makita sa Wiley, okay, we can go to other online resources. Okay? So, kung wala pa rin sa IEEE, use the other one. Diba? So, you have a lot of choices. Okay? Ang important lang doon, you need to utilize, diba? You need to access and open those resources so that you can check, okay, the following acceptable sources on your literature review. Understood, class? So, para hindi lahat kukunin ninyo on Google Scholar, kasi minsan hindi pa din na-open doon, or on other online resources. So, since meron naman kayong access dyan, so try to open and utilize using those online tools taught to you last time by the library. Okay? So, minsan may mga institutional signing yan. So, let the library know, okay, na you can access at home para at least they can help you, okay, on the institutional sign-in. Okay? Any questions or clarifications? So how about you, Mark Lawrence? Can you tell us? Okay. So, Mark Lawrence, okay, can you tell us, among those online tools, ano na yung nagamit ng inyong group?
Since I came from the same group po as Alexa po, I've been browsing Wiley din po for ebook and journals po.
Okay, good. Okay. So how about yung group ni So how about yung group ni Nadjan Paul?
Good morning po, ma'am. Mainly po, since ang scope po namin ay mechanical po. Mostly Wiley po yung mas naging useful po sa group namin in our case.
Okay, but you also access other online tools?
Yes po, tinatry din po namin.
Okay, good. So, kasi mas maganda, aside from those journal articles, you can also look for books or academic books para alam natin, okay, may gagamitin kaming formula on our design, computation, and analysis. Saan ko siya pwedeng makuha? Okay, what will be my references? Do you have books? Do you have standards which will be used on your design, computation, and analysis? So, pwede nyo siyang gamitin. Diba? Hindi lang yung mga published journal. Siyempre, yung mga published journal and articles, they also use yung mga books or other standards which can help us on the design computations. Okay? So, how about yung group ni na Kay-Ann? Can you share to us? Hello, yung group ni na Kay-Ann. So, nasan yung group ni na Kay-Ann? So, sabi ko yung group ni na Kay-Ann. So, aside from Kay-Ann Gonzalez, sino ang group ni Kay-Ann? Can you share? Yes, Kay-Ann.
Good morning po, ma'am. Yung ano po, ay IEEE din po. Kagaya po nung kaila Andre po.
Okay. So, how about you, Renz Nathaniel? Can you share to us those
Yes po, ma'am. Good morning
online
po.
resources na na-utilize nyo na?
Ma'am, same group po ako ni na Alexa and ML po, which, yun nga po, Wiley po. Pero personally po, I've been browsing rin po sa IEEE since nasa akin po yung access ng group namin
Oh,
or remote access.
okay. But be sure you can access that at home using yung institutional sign-in ninyo, okay? Para at least when you open some of the important journals or books, you can access also at home. Okay? Hello?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, so good. How about, wait, share ko lang to. Yung group ni na Archie. Yung group ni na Archie. What can you share to us?
Good morning po, ma'am. Bale, ano po, yung IEEE po and also po Wiley.
Okay. Okay. So good. Okay, since all of you already access those online resources,